What's it like to suddenly discover a secret that's been kept from you for a long time? My brother and I used to argue constantly when we were kids. After every fight, my mom would pull me aside and sternly say, "Don't be upset. I'm going to go yell at your brother." I'd always feel a mix of satisfaction and guilt, so I'd end up making peace with my brother afterward. This year, when I asked my brother to teach me how to ski and he refused, I got really upset, and we had a big argument. I called my mom to complain, and she promised to talk to him. Not long after, my brother showed up and told me to get ready for a skiing lesson that night. I was stunned and couldn't figure out how my mom had convinced him, but I was still annoyed and refused to learn. My brother said, "Fine, I didn't want to teach you anyway." We started fighting again, and I finally lost it. I snapped, "Think about whether you're being reasonable, and then think about how mom yelled at you." My brother froze, looking surprised. After a long pause, he said, "Mom never yelled at me. She always told me, your sister is a bit slow, so let's just give in to her."